So, the problem we were discussing revolves around the usage of resource strings in Delphi and the confusion surrounding their implementation. The concern arose due to the fact that the LoadResString function requires a PResString rec pointer as a parameter, but when calling it with a resource string directly, a type incompatibility warning is generated. This led to questions about whether a resource string is indeed a string or a record, as passing a string to a function that expects a pointer to a PResString rec seemed incorrect. The use of hardcast to resolve this issue was also questioned for its safety and correctness. Moving on to the solution, it was clarified that resource strings can be treated as global string constants and referred to directly without the need for additional indirection, such as using arrays of resource strings. The recommended approach is to define resource strings at the top of a unit and access them as needed throughout the application. This simplifies the process of managing and updating string constants, especially in scenarios where multiple instances of the same string need to be modified. In summary, the key to dealing with resource strings in Delphi is to treat them as global string constants, allowing for easy localization and maintenance of string values across the application. By using resource strings directly where needed, developers can streamline the process of managing string constants and ensure consistent messaging throughout their code. So next time you encounter a situation where using resource strings seems complex, remember to keep it simple and straightforward with direct access to the string constants. And with that, happy coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below.